Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best hand mixer of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best hand mixer of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The KitchenAid 7-Speed Hand Mixer. KHM7210, Empire Red combines style, power, and convenience for everyday baking and cooking. Designed with 7 adjustable speeds, this versatile hand mixer easily handles everything from slowly stirring chunky ingredients to whipping fluffy meringues. Its soft start feature helps reduce splattering, keeping your kitchen clean while delivering smooth mixing performance. Finished in a vibrant Empire Red color, the mixer adds a bold and modern touch to any kitchen countertop. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during longer mixing tasks, while the lockable swivel cord allows easy operation from either side. The KitchenAid hand mixer also includes stainless steel turbo beater accessories that are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. Perfect for cakes, cookies, mashed potatoes, sauces, and more, this mixer is an ideal choice for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts seeking reliable performance with iconic KitchenAid quality and timeless design. Number 2. Upgrade your kitchen routine with the powerful and versatile Cuisinart Power Advantage 5-Speed Hand Mixer. Designed with a durable 220W motor, this electric hand mixer delivers smooth and consistent performance for baking, whipping, mixing, and more. Its 5 speed settings allow you to easily control mixing intensity, making it perfect for everything from delicate batters to thick cookie dough. The extra-long beaters provide better reach and efficient mixing, while the dishwasher-safe design ensures quick and hassle-free cleanup after every use. Lightweight and comfortable to hold, this mixer is ideal for everyday cooking and baking needs. The convenient 60-inch cord offers added flexibility, allowing easy movement around your kitchen workspace. Whether you're preparing cakes, whipped cream, mashed potatoes, or homemade sauces, this reliable hand mixer helps you achieve professional quality results with ease. Stylish, compact, and highly functional, the Cuisinart Power Advantage mixer is a must-have appliance for every modern kitchen. Number 3. Upgrade your kitchen experience with the powerful and stylish Yomelo 9-speed digital hand mixer. Designed with a high-performance 400W DC motor, this electric handheld mixer delivers smooth and efficient mixing for baking, whipping, blending, and more. The 9-speed digital control allows precise mixing for every recipe, from light cream to thick cookie dough. Its ergonomic lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, while a quiet motor operation makes cooking more enjoyable. This hand mixer comes with 5 durable stainless steel accessories, including beaters and dough hooks, perfect for versatile kitchen tasks. The convenient snap-on storage case keeps all attachments organized and easy to access, reducing kitchen clutter. Whether you're preparing cakes, bread, whipped cream, or homemade desserts, the Yomelo hand mixer offers reliable performance and long-lasting durability. Ideal for beginners and experienced bakers alike, it combines power, convenience, and modern design to make everyday cooking faster and easier. Number 4. Upgrade your kitchen experience with a powerful and stylish Lord Eagle Hand Mixer Electric Handheld 400W. Designed for convenience and performance, this lightweight hand mixer features a high-efficiency 400W motor that easily handles mixing, whipping, and beating tasks. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can prepare everything from fluffy whipped cream to smooth cake batter with perfect consistency every time. The mixer comes with 5 durable stainless steel attachments, making it ideal for baking cakes, beating eggs, mixing cream, dough, and more. Its ergonomic handheld design ensures a comfortable grip during extended use, while the compact storage case keeps all accessories neatly organized and easy to store. Perfect for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts, the Lord Eagle Hand Mixer combines functionality, durability, and ease of use in one sleek appliance. Whether you're preparing desserts or everyday recipes, this versatile kitchen mixer helps save time and effort while delivering professional quality results. Number 5. Upgrade your kitchen experience with a powerful and convenient cordless electric hand mixer. Designed for modern cooking, this 7-speed rechargeable wireless handheld mixer gives you complete freedom to mix anywhere without tangled cords or limited movement. Whether you're whipping cream, beating eggs, mixing cake batter, or preparing dough, the adjustable speed settings provide perfect control for every recipe. Built with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, this mixer delivers reliable performance for extended use on a single charge. The quiet motor ensures a smooth and low-noise operation, making your cooking time more enjoyable. Its anti-splash design helps keep your kitchen clean by reducing messy spills while mixing. The mixer includes 6 premium 304 stainless steel attachments that are durable, rust-resistant, and safe for food preparation. An easy one-touch eject button allows quick and effortless attachment changes. Lightweight, portable, and easy to store, this cordless hand mixer is the perfect kitchen companion for everyday baking and cooking needs.